I use Razorpay as my payment gateway to receive new payments for my e-commerce store. And here sometimes I receive failed payments through my payment gateway. So now here successful payments are okay. But for the failed payments, what I wanted was that every failed payment should be get as a notification on my team's channel in order to get my team notified about a failed payment, and so that my team can contact the customer personally and help them to make a successful payment in order to save our sales. So in that case, I set up a simple automation which automatically runs whenever a new failed payment is captured through my Razorpay payment gateway. And here after capturing the payment, it automatically shares it as a new notification on my Google chat space like this with my team with all the customer and payment details. Sounds magical, right? So here I've set up a simple automation connecting my Razorpay with my Google Chat Hangout using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. And now here in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your business too. But before beginning with the process, let me show you how it actually works by simply making a test payment using my Razorpay payment page. So this is my Razorpay payment page. Here I've already pre-filled some dummy details, and here we are going to make a test failed payment using a payment method as net banking, and here for the payment we are going to select it as failure. You can see a payment has been failed over here, and also you can notice that this was a test mode payment that I have made. So now let's go and check our Google Chat space, and you can see a new notification has been received just right now with the new details that says customer name as test user. This is the email, contact and the payment ID. So this is how magically it works, and the magic only happens with this automation. So now here to learn about this automation, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and try Pabbly chat flow and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. Or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I've got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. And here I can assure you that you are going to get maximum discount using my coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code available. So go and make your purchase now. Alright, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. To build a new connection, you need to create a workflow first, and you can see three different methods. You can create your workflow using any of the method. For now, I'm going to set up the workflow using Quick Builder, and here I'm going to directly take you towards the workflow window. Alright, here I've successfully set up a workflow using Quick Builder. Now let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. So here our trigger application is Razorpay. We have selected app and the app event, and we have received a webhook URL. That means we're going to use this webhook URL to connect our Razorpay with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, first here I'm going to copy the webhook URL, and here I've already logged into my Razorpay account. So this is my Razorpay account, and from here you need to select account and settings. Currently my account is in a test mode. You can set up the webhook inside your live account as well. Here you can see we have received the option for webhooks, and here are some existing webhook URLs. For now we are going to add a new webhook. We are going to add a webhook URL in this column, and for the active events we are going to select payment failed because I want to set up this webhook especially for the payment fails. Then you're going to create a webhook over here, and you can see it says webhook saved successfully. That means we have connected our Razorpay with Pabbly Connect. So you can see as it is waiting for webhook response, that means here to receive a response we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission we need to again make a test payment using our Razorpay payment page. So I'm going to refresh it, and I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. This time I'm going to add the full name as smart user, email as smart@pabblytudes.com, and moving forward for the number I'm going to add a random number. Then for the street address we are going to add a random address. Then we are going to select the address, and then here we are going to make a test payment. For that we are going to select net banking, and again I'm going to select my method as failure over here because I want to receive a failed payment. You can see a payment has been made failed successfully. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received all the details and the status has failed with customer details and the payment details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. Now, once we have received a new failed payment notification through Razorpay, instantly we are going to share it with our team on Google Chat Space. Here we are going to build this connection and it is asking for a chat webhook URL. So here to get this webhook URL, let me take you to my Google Chat Space. So this is my space and this is my team space named. So click on it and then select apps and integration. Under that you can see the option of webhook. So these are some existing webhook URLs. I'm going to add a new one over here. Here I'm going to give the name as failed payment. Moving forward, click on the save and here you can see we have received a webhook URL. We are going to copy the link for the same and we are going to add it over here. Then it is asking for a header title, subtitle and some other details. So let me add the title and the subtitle over here. Alright, here I've successfully added title and the subtitle. Moving forward, image URL is not required one, so we're going to leave them blank. For the text, I'm going to add the text as a payment attempt was unsuccessful and requires follow-up. Here you can see these are some details which are required one. So here we are going to add these details. But instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when I'm going to receive a new failed payment through Razorpay, instantly this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter / first and we are going to search for customer name. This is the customer name. Here we are going to map the customer's email address. Here we are going to map the contact number. And lastly, we are going to map the payment ID. Alright, after adding the details, we are going to move forward. This custom section is not required once. We're going to leave it blank. And then we're going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a new notification on our Google Chat Space. Let's go and check it. And you can see a new notification has been received over here with all the details. So this is how magically this automation runs, and with this we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here I've selected my trigger as Razorpay as my payment gateway and my action as Google Chat Hangout for my team communication, so that whenever I receive a new failed payment through Razorpay, instantly it gets notified to my sales team on Google Chat Space. Alright, so these were the very simple steps of how to get failed payment alerts. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.